AI has been the buzzword in the technology sphere for quite some time now.
An AI agent.
Agents.
In fact, in the beginning of last year, it all seemed real that we could give AI a single goal and it will figure out everything on its own while we humans relaxed. Surely, people were scared of losing their jobs, but it seemed that in an era where workforce will consist only of digital employees that never sleep, never get tired, and can run entire businesses on their own was just around the corner. All this is possible due to emergence of AI agents. Today, these AI agents have become ubiquitous, from personal assistants booking meetings to autonomous systems running workflows, from drafting emails to assisting in research. But have they truly revolutionized our world, or they are just another hype? Let's find out in this video. Sam Altman, in one of his blogs, has written that as early as middle of 2026, a personal AI team full of virtual experts working in multiple different areas and coordinating together to create almost anything will be at disposal of mankind. However, on the other hand, a recent MIT report has highlighted that more than 95% of AI projects are failing, which leaves us asking what level of impact does AI agents truly have? In my view, the scope and the ability of current artificial intelligence depends on its underlying principles. So in order to correctly analyze the state of contemporary AI and also to predict AI's impact on future workplaces, we must first understand the fundamental mechanism of an AI agent and how is it different from its predecessor AI technologies. By the way, if you are already familiar with the working of an AI agent, feel free to skip this part. An AI agent is a software system that can work autonomously using large language models and other tools. It can break down complex tasks into smaller ones and execute them independently. Although AI agents utilize the strength and potential of LLMs, but they are principally very different from LLMs. At its core, an AI agent tries to mimic how humans complete their tasks. It takes a goal, figures out the best way to achieve it, and then executes it using tools such as LLM, browser, code interpreter, etc. It also has a power of reflection where it observes and reflects on its actions to better produce results using a feedback loop. And in 2024, AI agents that could do various tasks came into the picture, such as Devin that could code autonomously and was marketed as the first AI software engineer. Rabbit R1, a pocket-sized hardware device that could perform tasks across applications using LLMs. Goldman Sachs became one of the companies to use the powers of Devin in its plan for hybrid workforce. But amidst the enormous hype, when these AI agents were put to large-scale tasks, they hallucinated, stuck in loops, and caused a failure in API calls. For example, a team of data scientists found that out of 20 tasks assigned to Devin AI, there were failures in 14 of them. Some people even went ahead and alleged whether the makers of these AI agents are lying about their potential. All these questions and uncertainties led to shifting of focus towards practical and real use cases. For example, GitHub Copilot, designed for people in software development and coding. Today, enterprises are carefully building internal AI agents to automate workflows like document processing, compliance checks, and customer onboarding. To summarize this video, I would like to draw your attention toward a recent McKinsey article, Lessons from the People Doing the Work in AI. It gives pointers on how to efficiently utilize the potential of AI agents. Firstly, it mentions that it's not about the agent, it's about the workflow. Focus should be on the workflow and not just on getting the best AI agent. Second, agents aren't always the answer. A problem not necessarily requires an AI agent. Sometimes rules-based approach or even humans are better at a task. Stop AI slop, impressive demos but low quality production outputs. Make it easy to track and verify every step. Work with appropriate number of AI agents rather than hundreds of them. At the end of the day, in a nutshell, we must accept that AI agents are here, and yes, it does work autonomously and reduce the time it takes to solve a particular problem. It is very good at doing repetitive tasks such as drafting emails, text summarizing, etc. But the important thing to note is that it takes a human oversight to develop and maintain an AI agent. It will definitely reduce number of people needed, but might never replace them completely.